Hello guys, welcome to Technical Math VPN channel, and in this video I will do this question integration sign tangent square x dx JEE main advanced indefinite integrals. So guys, let's start this video. Tangent square x integration sign tangent square x dx. So first of all, we know that tangent square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. So can we write this instead of tangent square? Secant square x minus 1 dx. So separate it. Secant square x dx minus 1 dx. Now you have to learn this integration of secant square x. So integration of secant square x is, first of all, if you remember that integration of secant square x dx is equal to tangent x is the integration of this plus c. So here I will write tangent x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. So this is the answer of this given question. This is the answer. Very simple solution. If you have any confusion, you can comment under the video, and if you understand the video, please like it, and for any confusion you can comment under the video. Thanks for watching this video.